Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to update Play Store on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, newer versions of the Play Store app may be required to access certain features or services. Updating ensures compatibility with the latest apps and services available on the platform. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, the first step you have to do is please open Google Play Store on your device. Then here, please click Profile icon at the corner, and then please select the Settings option. Okay, so here you look for About and tap on the option. Next, here you can tap on Update Play Store option. And because I have been updated on my device, so here will appear the following statement. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to update Play Store app on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.